Today I'm putting my skills into the ultimate test, modeling the same character in 1 hour. Wow, modern art. We added so much detail to the character versus 100 hours. And this is what we have after 72 hours. I think we are making good progress. Before jumping into the first challenge, I need to design a quick reference for the character I'm going to model.
That lonesome engine sigh as
First
the
things
desert
first,
train rolls
the
by.
sketch.
Try to make
And then the lines. And finally, color.
In the sand, kicking dust in cowboy land, riding all the daylight through. Dunes under Mojave sun.
And here's the final design.
Sagebrush run, coyote run. How I'm longing for the thrill of the
I think this design might be a little too detailed for this challenge, but that's kind of the point. Alright, now on to the main challenge. And the clock starts now. I want to start with the hardest part, the head. If I finish the head at the time, everything is good. Okay. No, I need this one. Thank you. A bit closer, but fine. Looks shit. Okay, good for now. Good for now. I need to model other parts too. And what I have done. No. Wow. They're done. Am I doing? Good luck. Here we go. Half of the time passed. It's too hard. I will do it like this. You can do it for now. Why is it so much? Why am I talking this much? No. Okay, that's good. Oh, yeah, that's so much detail. Okay, it's 3 minutes left. Alright. Time's up. I'm done. And this is what we got in 1 hour. The 1 hour edition is something recognizable. You can barely say it's a character. The only thing that is wrong with that character is the edge of the skit is face up. But now let's see what happens if we add 99 extra hours to the clock. And the time starts now! I don't know why every time I get a long deadline I just procrastinate until the very last minute. I really need to lock in. This is a unusual way for knowing the post. Here we are.
Disregard the past, now I'm ready to let go. I never knew I needed more. Don't wanna keep her on the low.
I have finished modeling the hand by using this sketch. And after hoodie and jacket, time to start modeling the shoe.
As I wait for her to rescue me, I speak as though I try, but I can't even breathe. No.
49 Lego. I copied the shoe and cut out the shape out of it, and it surprisingly turned out good. I really didn't expect the shoe to turn out this good. And now it's time for modeling the skate. Nothing too interesting here, but modeling the truck took me a ridiculous amount of time. But overall it turned out pretty good. I've never modeled it this way before. I should do this more often. And also added these clothing shoelaces. And this is what we have after 72 hours. I think we are making good progress. While sculpting, I added some folds to the clothes. Now textures. I download some of it from Color Heaven and apply them one by one with mastery of UV mapping. but I made the skin textures myself. My PC was basically on fire from this point on. And after that, the character was basically finished. But I still had 8 hours left, so I spent that time designing a background for it. How? By downloading an entire city. My PC already can't handle the model. I don't know why I'm doing this. I was hoping my PC could survive long enough to give me at least one render. After setting up the lighting and adding a few more models, it was finally time to bring in the character, but I couldn't record at the same time, so let's see if this 100 hour worth it.
Do it like making time stand still. Found a way to make it work. Making time stand still. Found a way to make it work. Making time stand still. Found a way to make it work. Making time.
I put a lot into this one. Leaving a like and subscribing would really mean a lot to me. And now we'll see you in the next one.